Hello everyone! I have an excited news to share today. We have a new broker. Webull is officially launched in Singapore. For those who have been in my Telegram group, you may know that I have been waiting for Webull to arrive in Singapore since April 2021. I also checked with Webull last year on whether they are planning to launch in Singapore. And oh yes, Webull is now in Singapore! I am to share why I have been waiting to use Webull as one of my investment or even trading account. Of course, as usual, I will dig out the fine print of the welcome rewards to provide my honest feedback and information on what I have found. This will be the content of this video. Welcome reward, broker check, benefits and weakness of using Webull. Please note that this video is not sponsored, meaning I'm not getting paid to prepare this video. I share Webull as I already know this broker for long because of the features that I will be sharing later. Part 1. Welcome reward. Okay, I am very sure that many of you, including myself, are interested in the welcome reward. Tada! It is USD worth of AAPL fractional shares. Wait. What is fractional share? And the current AAPL price is 130 USD? Don't worry, I will explain the fractional share later. At this moment, we just need to know we can earn USD 100 as a welcome reward. The other two rewards are zero commission trading and 3 months level 2 US market data. Next, let us further look into how to qualify the welcome rewards. The moment we open a Webull account, we will get a free 3-month level 2 US market data subscription. Normally, we can only view the bid and ask price only. For the level 2 US market data, it can provide 50 best levels of bids and asks on Nasdaq. It looks something like this. This is very useful for trader, such as scalper or day trader, as this could help them to anticipate the potential next move. After 3 months, the subscription will be cancelled automatically. If you want to renew, the cost to renew will be USD $1.99 per month. As an investor myself, I do not really use this feature. You may read more here if you are interested. Next is most applicable to most of us, the free USD 100 fractional AAPL share. Like other brokers' welcome offer, we need to do something to get the reward. First, we need to deposit Sing dollars 2,000. Then we need to execute at least one buy trade of either stocks, ETFs, or option on the US market within 30 days to receive USD 60 worth of AAPL fractional share and zero commission trades for US and Hong Kong markets. To qualify the next USD 40 of the AAPL fractional shares, we will need to execute 5 more buy trades in US market. No worries, I will prepare a video on how to complete these 6 trades in a simple manner with minimal capital. As usual, let me dig the fine print of the reward. First, the campaign period is until 30th June 2022 only. Next, the commission-free trades, zero platform fee, membership fee, and contract fee will be permanent on the US markets. As I mentioned in my past video, there are some regulators' fees still apply when we sell the securities. For example, SEC and trading activity fee. You may refer to this link for the complete pricing. For Hong Kong market, the free commission, zero platform fee will up to 30th June 2022. Too bad, Webull is not able to trade stocks listed in SGX yet, but I believe that they will be available soon or later. For the fractional share reward, there are 3 important criteria to take note. After deposit of the SGD 2000, we need to maintain the net cumulative deposit at or above SGD 2000 for at least 30 calendar days from the date the initial deposit is settled. Net cumulative deposit equals to accumulated deposit amount minus of accumulated withdrawal amount. Capital gains and losses are excluded. Basically, as long as we deposit the SGD 2000 and we do not withdraw the amount, even we lost some money after the trading, we are still eligible for the reward. Third, to earn the rewards, we need to deposit SGD 2000 and complete the number of trades within 30 calendar days from the date of approval of account application. Okay, this is a summary of everything to earn the rewards. First, open a Webull account. Second, within 30 days, complete the followings. Deposit SGD 2000, complete one buy on US market to earn a fractional $60 AAPL share, complete additional 5 buy trades on US market to earn a fractional $40 AAPL share. And lastly, maintain net cumulative deposit of 2,000 Sing dollar for a holding period of 30 calendar days. During this high inflation era, additional USD 100 is still good. If you would like to sign up a Webull account, you can screen the QR code here to open an account or click my link in the description below. Part 2. Broker check. Before we deposit our money into any broker or platform, it is very important to check if the broker is legit, so we won't lose our hard-earned money. There are more and weirder platforms arising, and many investors lose their money as the platform owner runs away with the money. From the MAS website, Webull Singapore is regulated by MAS. Webull is licensed to provide capital markets services licensee. In a nutshell, the company licensed and regulated by MAS is required to follow Securities and Futures Act, where the money received from clients as well as clients' assets are separated from Webull's own money and assets. Customers' assets are kept in a separate bank and a custodian broker. Thus, even the Webull go burst or run away, our assets are still safe. In addition, Webull is a member of SIPC, which further protects securities customers of its members up to 500,000 or 250,000 of cash. This further shows that Webull is a very reliable and safe broker to invest our money in. Last, withdrawal. Webull does not charge fees for Sing dollars withdrawals. However, SGD 20 will be charged for USD and Hong Kong dollar withdrawals. I will also prepare a video to check how fast the withdrawal will reach our bank. Summary: Webull is regulated and licensed by MAS, SIPC member, has a clear withdrawal policy to take out our capital. Conclusion: Webull is a reliable broker to put our money in to invest. Part 3. Pros and cons of Webull. Other than a free commission and a reliable platform, Webull has two distinguished features that other brokers are not able to offer. First one, fractional share. This is particularly friendly to a small account holder who wants to start investing. For example, we know Google and Amazon are good stocks, but their high price would shut off the investors with a limited capital. With the fractional share feature, now we can buy a fractional share at $5. This means that we can allocate our capital accordingly to buy a fraction of Google and Amazon. If you only have $100, we can buy a few fractional shares of Apple, Amazon, Google, Tesla, and other stocks to start practicing diversification and portfolio allocation. This is indeed a great tool to make everything to invest easily. Second, Webull has one of the best platforms to track our portfolio performance and the PL trend. It can clearly show how our portfolio performed over different periods and plot the chart for us. To be honest, I'm not able to get this feature from other platforms that I'm using. Lastly, this is a good news to option trader. Webull offers zero commission and zero contract fee for US option. Of course, the regulatory fee are still applied as shown in this table. However, the fee to trade one option can be as low as 4 cents now. This is indeed lowest cost of the option fee I have seen thus far. Summary: Webull is a good platform to invest in, free commission and zero platform fee in both stock, ETFs, and options for US market, reliable, can trade fractional shares, superb portfolio tracker. Next, let us look on the disadvantage of Webull. The most obvious one is the Singapore stocks are still not available yet. Hopefully, they will list them soon. For the platform experience, I'll post in a separate video. I will upload the step-by-step guide on opening a Webull account soon. Hopefully, you will find my introduction useful. If you would like to open a Webull account, you can screenshot the QR code here and open an account, or click on my link in the description below. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.